We're going to break down a clip from the first episode of House of the Dragon. Yeah, it's like that kick. I never noticed that before.
Play it again, play it again. That's just not committing and then the other person overreacting.
Yeah.
I'm like, I do this and you have a gross overreaction to it.
I never noticed that.
But it's like, we're jerks. That fight was good and like all we're focused on now is
focused
like,
on is that one little kick
hey,
now.
but that's, you know, one of the problems with my job is I'm like, we get to the end of the show and if that slap doesn't work, that's all anyone's gonna talk about on their way to their cars. Here, just go ahead and slap me. That was terrible.
Yeah.
I hope it makes it.
I hope it makes the cut too.